Understanding 120 Hz starts with knowing what refresh rate means. 120 Hz indicates your monitor updates the display 120 times per second, creating smoother motion and reducing input lag for better gaming and viewing experiences. To enable 120 Hz on your Sceptre monitor, you need compatible hardware. First, ensure your graphics card meets the minimum requirements: NVIDIA GTX 1060 or higher, AMD RX 580 or higher, or modern integrated graphics like Intel Iris Z or AMD Vega 8 and above. Proper cable connections are crucial for 120 Hz. DisplayPort 1.2 or higher is recommended for the best performance, while HDMI 2.0 or higher can also work but may have resolution limitations. Your system also needs to meet software requirements. Windows 10 version 1903 or later, or Windows 11, with updated graphics drivers and at least 8 GB of RAM are recommended for optimal 120 Hz performance. Keep in mind some important limitations. Many Sceptre monitors may limit 120 Hz to 1080p resolution, while 1440p or higher resolutions typically require higher-end monitor variants. Always check your specific model's capabilities before expecting full 120 Hz performance at all resolutions. There are three main methods to activate 120 Hz on your Sceptre monitor. We'll walk through each method step by step to ensure you can successfully enable high refresh rate display. The first method uses Windows display settings, the second uses your graphics card control panel, and the third uses the monitor's built-in menu system. Method 1 uses Windows display settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Then click Advanced Display Settings. Choose your Sceptre monitor, click Display Adapter Properties, navigate to the Monitor tab, and select 120 Hz from the drop-down menu. Method 2 uses your graphics control panel. For NVIDIA users, right-click the desktop, open NVIDIA Control Panel, navigate to Change Resolution, select your Sceptre monitor, and choose 120 Hz from the refresh rate dropdown. For AMD users, right-click the desktop, open AMD Radeon software, go to the Display tab, select Custom Resolution or modify existing settings, set the refresh rate to 120 Hz, then apply and test the changes. Method 3 uses the monitor's built-in menu system. Press the menu button on your Sceptre monitor, navigate to the Display or Setup menu, find the refresh rate option, select 120 Hz and save your settings. For reliable 120 Hz operation, use certified cables. DisplayPort 1.4 or higher is recommended for best results. HDMI 2.1 cables also support 120 Hz, but may have resolution limitations. Always use certified cables to ensure stable performance. If you encounter issues, update your graphics drivers, restart your computer after changing settings, check that cable connections are secure, and verify your specific Sceptre monitor model supports 120 Hz refresh rate. You now have 3 reliable methods to activate 120 Hz on your Sceptre monitor. Choose the method that works best for your setup and enjoy smoother, more responsive display performance.